She was known as the Queen of the Skies, the original jumbo jet. The Boeing 747 made its maiden voyage in 1969. It would go on to revolutionize civil aviation, putting long-haul flights within reach and connecting the world like never before. This year, Boeing delivers its last 747. In celebration of this extraordinary aircraft, Breitling is releasing a special edition Navitimer, one of the most recognizable watches of all time, a pilot's chronograph that over 70 years has become a global icon. The legendary watch and the Queen of the Skies come together in this commemorative timepiece, limited to 747 pieces. Introducing the Navitimer-Boeing-747.